Alright, so here's the Restore and Protect filter. This is the Mobile One filter. And this has got 1,000 kilometers on it, which is basically nothing compared to what it's capable of filtering out. But there is a signature sort of zebra lines, or lack of a better term, of a blackness in there. And it seems a lot dirtier than it was previously 1,000 kilometers ago. I'll just spin this around and see if we can have a look. Try to push this away because I haven't cut it open, but there is more. The filter seems dirtier in general. Let me see if I can get a better picture here. I haven't got the new camera for my microscope yet, so I can't use it, but I'll try my best. I put a man filter in for the next change so we can kind of see the difference in the pleats, but see if I can get this to stabilize here in the area that's easy to see. But I see the same thing in other people's videos where, like, yeah, sure, you can see the paper filter. This is a paper filter. There's a lot of darker areas that I didn't see before along the inside in here. And then a lot much darker areas in the valley. So that's pretty interesting. That's something that I didn't notice before. Maybe it existed, I didn't catch it. But it's definitely there. Don't mind that particle there, that's from the cloth. But there is a lot of dirty areas that I would say is like very fine carbon. It's definitely interesting. 1,000 kilometers on this. So maybe there is some kind of breakdown over time with the Valvoline Restore Protect. Some pleats are worse than others, but without my microscope, that's the best I can do. It looks like similar to other people's filters. Maybe it just takes more time to do its job. Thanks for watching.